Clubhouse Marketing Best Practices. If you want to be successful with Clubhouse marketing in the fastest possible time, then you need to follow these 8 best practices. Many people make a lot of mistakes with Clubhouse, and if you follow these best practices, you can avoid these and successfully develop your brand. 1. Understand what Clubhouse is. Clubhouse is not the same as other social media platforms. It is an audio-only platform that is only available for iOS and Android devices. Since its launch in 2020, Clubhouse has grown significantly. It now has more than 10 million active users every month. You need to know about rooms and clubs. Join a room that is related to your niche or create your own room. There is a stage in every room where you can speak. People that follow you will see what rooms you are in. Your homepage is your hallway, and you can search from here. A club is a mini community on Clubhouse. 2. Clubhouse is different to other social media platforms. You need to understand that Clubhouse is different to other social media platforms. There are no business profiles allowed on Clubhouse, and you have to use your own name. It is not possible to post any other type of content other than audio. There is no app for messaging within Clubhouse. Don't expect a news feed with Clubhouse like you get on Facebook or other social platforms. Your hallway will recommend rooms that you can join. There are no restrictions on content at Clubhouse. You cannot run ads on Clubhouse. It is best to consider Clubhouse as an event venue, which is different to other social platforms. 3. Master the basics of Clubhouse. It is essential that you know your way around the Clubhouse app. The first thing to know is that you have to be invited to join Clubhouse. You will need to choose your interests and complete your profile. Get familiar with your hallway page and use the search feature to find others, rooms, and clubs that interest you. Once you are a Clubhouse member, you will be able to invite others. Use your Clubhouse calendar to see what is coming up in the near future. Check your notifications on Clubhouse and get used to all of the settings that the app has. 4. Know how to use rooms and clubs. Rooms and clubs are what makes Clubhouse tick. You need to know how to view rooms and join them. Start off by being a listener in rooms, then migrate to becoming a speaker. Learn about moderators and what they do. Understand how the stage works in a room. Understand the power of clubs and what you have to do to become and create your own club. 5. Set up your Clubhouse profile correctly. Your Clubhouse profile is critical for the success of your marketing. Use the best possible photograph of yourself and be sure to create an enticing description. The first 3 lines of your description are the most important. Always think about what is in it for them when creating your profile and use the most effective formatting. 6. Know the advantages of Clubhouse for brand building. You need to be prepared to get the best results from your Clubhouse marketing. Use Clubhouse to build trust and create a community. Demonstrate that you are a thought leader and provide the best audio content. Networking and collaboration are important for success. Always be prepared to offer your expertise and support. Create your own community on Clubhouse and set expectations. Clubhouse is a great platform for word-of-mouth marketing. You can gain valuable feedback on Clubhouse and also tap into trends. It is also possible for you to use Clubhouse to tap into investors. 7. Use proven Clubhouse marketing tactics. Although Clubhouse is a new platform, there are some marketing tactics that are proven to work. Be sure to join relevant rooms and conversations. Start your own niche-related room. Learn how to moderate to achieve the best results. Collaborate with influencers on the platform. Encourage others that work at your company to be brand ambassadors. Make announcements on Clubhouse about your products and services. Create roundtable rooms where you can help other members to solve problems in your niche. 8. Grow your following on Clubhouse. There are a number of ways to grow your followers. Being active on Clubhouse is the best way. Always provide other members with value. Briefly announce yourself. Get involved with Clubhouse right now. Make your profile awesome. Start following related clubs so you are nominated to join them. Host rooms and engage your audience.